Aloha everyone! I just wanted to make a small video because I just received the new Araina body mats. So these are yoga mats, and most of you know this one, the white with the gold. And so I call them body mats because you can use them as a yoga mat, but you can also use them for if you are, for example, a Reiki master or do some kind of healing where people need to lay down, like sound healing or something. You can use these mats to put people on, and then according to the chakras, you have the key code of focus, which is where the head must lie, and then you have the key code of love in heart chakra, then you have the key code of empowerment in the solar plexus, key code of harmony, and key code of creation for the lower chakras. So this is the body mat that most of you know. This is my cat Poi. He's inspecting the new merchandise. And so because white gets dirty easily, I thought I'm gonna make some in colors, and I'm so happy with how these colors turned out. So there's like a kind of like a purplish terracotta. I'm seeing the light in the video is a little bit more golden. Oh, now you see it better. Yeah. So this is like a really beautiful purplish terracotta. All the mats are made all eco, natural. This is rubber. They all have this beautiful seam on the side. And then again, this is with all the core key codes. But then you can choose, this one is with a key code of protection. But then you can also choose with a key code of empowerment in the middle. Yeah, so every color can be with both codes. Yeah, these are just examples. And then you have the beautiful blue. This is like an aqua blue, like an ocean blue. And then this one is like a khaki gold kind of color. So I'm so happy with how these turned out. They're gonna be on the website today. So if you like, you can order those. And you know, for those that have the white one, I always use one of these things, which is just like a yoga cloth. You see it's very dirty already. I need to wash it. But I always put that on my mat when I'm practicing anyways. So if you order the white one, I would recommend to find something like this somewhere to just keep it as clean as possible. But also if you want to wash it, you can just use a cloth with just some dish soap that you use to do your dishes, and you just rub it off and then you just let it dry, and that very easily goes off. Okay, so there are 4 colors: white, gold, blue, and taupe is this color. And then you can choose between key code of empowerment or the key code of protection. And again, protection in the key code realm, it's more really filling yourself up from the inside. Yeah, so if you look at this key code, it's really standing in your center and not being distracted by all the energies around yourself. And only allowing in the energies that really match your frequency, your resonance in the moment, so that you can fill yourself up with your own self-empowerment and stay in your essence wherever you are. Yeah, and being present in all directions. The key code of empowerment, this is more to realize that all the energy, all the power in the universe from all dimensions simultaneously is equal to the energy that is in your core, that is in your heart, because the universe is a reflection of your inner being. Yeah, so the key code of empowerment is to realize self-empowerment, is to realize sovereignty in this universe. Okay, so I just wanted to show you these, and I also wanted to show for those of you that were waiting for the new placemats. So this is an example of a new placemat. I'm gonna see if there's more light over here. So this is a True Hearts core key code. The difference is it's a different type of wood, and they have like these little feet now as well that are like anti-slip feet. And I'm gonna make them in this, the light wood, which is like a lime wood, and they're also gonna be in cherry wood, which is more darker and more red, but I don't have an example of that one yet. And then also a new gift are these ones. These are temple templates. You can see I'm still in my pajamas actually. I'm sorry for that. So these are the 4 core key codes on a golden mirror, acrylic golden mirror. And so they're imprinted on both sides, you can see. And you can hang them in your room if you have like a healing room or a ceremony room, or even just in your bedroom or in your kitchen or wherever you feel like you want to put these. These are all the 4 key codes. So you've got the love key code, which balances the spiritual body. Then you have the creation key code here. You can see that creation key code, which balances the mental body. And then you have the harmony key code, harmony, which balances the physical body. And they're all joined with these little golden hematite pearls. So hematite is a gemstone that cleanses the space and cleanses itself, so you never have to clean or do a ceremony to clear out the energy. They cleanse from themselves. Yeah. And then here we have the last one, is the key code of focus, which balances the emotional body. So if you put those on all your 4 walls around in a room, it creates a field in the space where all the bodies get balanced, and you come back to the one heart, to the sacred heart, to the unified heart. Okay, the True Hearts core, this one over here. Okay, so I just wanted to share that with all of you. And you see these mats are also really good for relaxing. I do have a few of my customers that use these mats to literally to sleep on also, so you can put it in your bed and come out energized in the morning, fully restructured in your DNA. And yeah, I just want to send you all some love, so much love from Hawaii, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Aloha.